Do you want to increase traffic to your website or promote your business online? Yet you are stuck since you have no idea where to begin and don't know what the practical steps are? To boost your organic search exposure, ranks, and traffic, you need a solid content marketing strategy. And one of the essential tools at your disposal is keyword research. This might help you learn crucial data for expanding your online business and boosting website traffic. Check out this video for a simple and quick guide to advanced keyword research strategies for 2022. Watch the whole thing since we'll be talking about free SEO tools you may use whenever you're researching keywords. Welcome to the Digital Guide. Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I will enumerate the steps and strategies for conducting keyword research. But first, why do we need this? And what role does it play in developing your website? If you're just starting your very own website or online shop, keyword research is an absolute must. Are you having a hard time attracting visitors? That's because your page or website isn't SEO friendly. To attract your target audience and get quality leads, you need to do some on-page SEO work. And one of the most crucial parts is keyword research. So enough with the talking, let's get learning. First, you'll want to come up with some ideas using a few seed keywords. So, what exactly do I mean when I talk about a seed keyword? And where can you go to find such terms? Let me give you a straightforward illustration of this. When conducting keyword research, the first step is to determine the focus of your blog, website, or other project. And from there, you'll just select your niche. For example, we'll launch an e-commerce shop selling skincare products. Okay, so we've already determined our niche, which is all about skincare. So, what are the first things that come to mind when you think about skincare? My initial set of keywords will be skin routine, beauty, and face. So, this is what we call seed keywords. After you have written down your initial seed keywords, you may utilize them as a starting point to discover even more related terms. It's true that you can find additional keywords or conduct further keyword research with the help of various available tools. The quickest way to find related phrases is to type your seed keyword into Google's search bar. For example, when I think about skincare, the first thing that comes to mind is skin routine, which makes it an ideal seed keyword. And when you type it in the search and press the spacebar, you will be able to go through the suggestions. So if you find it not effective for an online shop, or if you're having trouble finding relevant search terms on Google, you can always look at the bottom of the page where you'll find similar results. Before I run through some of the tools you may access for conducting keyword research for free, I hope you're finding this video helpful and educational. If so, kindly hit the thumbs up button. And if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to let me know. So, going back, these are just some of the tools you may use for free while doing keyword research. Keywords Everywhere, Ahrefs SEO tools like Keyword Generator, Phrase or Question Match, and Keyword Difficulty Checker. First off, you may utilize the Ahrefs SEO tool. To do so, simply enter your selected keywords into the generator or check their rankings using the checker features. So, you have to enter your seed keyword in the space provided. You'll have to tick the box saying you're not a robot, select a country you will be targeting, then click Find Keywords. So, glass skin routine, straightforward skin routine, morning skin routine order, all of these phrases are your phrase match. The question match option sitting next to phrase match is another helpful tool for expanding your list of target keywords. You'll be able to view popular search terms based on questions others have asked. In other words, people are using these keywords to ask inquiries. You can observe the popularity of question-based keywords such as, what is a good skincare routine? When to apply retinol in a skincare routine? What is the best skincare routine? And so on. Thus, over 54,000 people are interested in learning how to reduce the amount of fat on their faces. You can rank highly for questions using these terms. Another tool you can utilize is Keywords Everywhere. To add the Keywords Everywhere, You can search it up on Google and click on the Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension and add it to your browser's extension. When I search skin routine, for example, I immediately see the off-page difficulty, SEO difficulty, and if I scroll all the way down to the related keywords, which in this case includes skincare routine for oily skin, daily skincare routine, basic skincare routine, long-tail keywords and related searches with skincare are skin routine order, skin routine for sensitive skin, acne-prone skin routine for oily skin is a high-ranking long-tail keyword that you should aim for if you want to start an online store selling skincare products. I'll go ahead and look for it, and you can do the same with related terms. And you can easily test out different variations of your keyword set to find the ones that work best for your website. The next step is to learn how to categorize the keywords you find. Let's talk about some basic monetary ideas. They are important to any discussion of business but are difficult to rank. Consequently, skincare is a desirable search keyword due to the high volume of related queries and the extreme competitiveness of the skincare industry. Another thing is to look into popular topics to find keywords that can be used to create quality backlinks. You read that right. You need to generate authority, or at least increase the authority of your own website. So, what words or phrases now create backlinks? Okay, so I showed you guys some query-based keywords. This is why query-based keywords such as skincare frequently result in backlinks, since there are sites like Quora and Reddit, as well as publish your own articles, blogs, or whatever else you like where your website appears to answer their queries. You can utilize your website as a response to those inquiries when targeting with this kind of keyword. And because it's an authentic response, it won't come off as a scam or over the top, and you'll receive more backlinks as a result. Low competition keywords are the next step. The market for skincare products has become quite competitive. However, if I were to pull up my keyword tool right now, I could select some items that aren't quite as competitive as the ones at the top of the results page, and thus it would be a better option for us. This is because if you go after a highly competitive keyword like skincare, you'll face the following problem: the difficulty of ranking for that term. So, it is a good idea to check out the top results before deciding on a keyword to target. And they'll do that by looking at things like the amount of referring domains, the authority of the domain doing the referring or ranking, and the subject relevance of the results that come up on top. Finally, while conducting keyword research, consider using link-baiting topics. This will allow you to uncover keywords with low competition and high traffic and analyze the factors that contributed to the success of already existing pages. Which patterns are they trying to follow, if any? And base your content creation on those outline templates. And that is yet another strategy for increasing the volume of visitors to your site. You can inform people what you sell, who you're trying to help, and what makes you different from the competition with keyword research. This gives you an advantage over the competitors when it comes to promoting your product. Thanks for watching this quick and informative video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing right now to the digital guide to enjoy more content like this. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.